Okay, today we have here this device that we're going to recover. As you can see here, this device is in recovery mode. We can enter it directly from here, but it gives us the option to enter recovery mode to recover our device and restore it since we forgot what the screen lock was. In this video tutorial, we're going to explain a very easy and simple process. The tool we're going to use is completely free, so you'll be guided step by step as we explain it. Before we run the tool, we recommend temporarily disabling your antivirus. This is so that when we run the tool, it doesn't disable our antivirus, preventing us from accessing it to recover the device. Now, we'll go to the PC and explain where you can download the tool and how to disable your antivirus. We're going to explain everything step by step so you too can solve this error and fix the problem of recovering your device. Okay, now we're on the PC. Since we're here on the PC, the first thing we're going to do is run the antivirus to disable it so we can explain where you can download this tool. We're going to double-click on our antivirus. This will take us to this section. When we're here, we're going to go to the shield icon on the left. We'll click on this shield. Then scroll down to where it says Manage Settings and disable the first option. With that done, we're going our browser and download the tool. We'll download it here in the browser and you're going to type exactly as it appears on the screen. As you can see, you're going to type Davidsul exactly as it appears on the screen. I'm going to spell Davidsul for you. Then you'll see this page that appears here, Davidsul or Android DTV. Don't worry, we'll click on the same page. Then it will take you to this section. When we're here in this section, you'll go to the last options. Here you'll find this entry that says Apps Davidel or Aplicaciones Davidel. You'll click on it. Then it will take you to this section. When you're in this section, you'll scroll down. Here you'll find many additional methods for those who want to apply this method directly from here. We'll keep scrolling down. And here we'll find the tool. I think it's here. Here it is. Here's the tool we're going to use in this video tutorial. There are also the drivers. This tool also has a password, which you'll find in this same tool. You'll find everything after we've downloaded it all. Then I'll explain what you're going to do. Since the antivirus is temporarily disabled, we're going to the tool and install it. We're going to run it as administrator. We run it as administrator. When we run the tool as administrator, a screen will open. If you see that your antivirus blocks the device, if it blocks the program, disable it and reinstall it. A newer version will appear here. Don't worry, click the X. Then you'll log in here. Create an account. Sometimes it's also recommended to create the account with a phone number. If you don't want to add an account, you can register using A QR code. This registration format is also faster. Then, when you're here, we'll go to the device. What you're going to do is turn off your phone. When it's completely off, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. When the device shows the logo, release. Volume up. Then, when it's off, press and hold the power button. Press the volume up button, and then when the logo appears, release the power button while still holding the volume up button. Now we're going to enter this mode. Click here where it says Connect. Click here, and this little screen will appear. When you're on this screen, simply connect the device. Connect it, and wait for the program to recognize it. Click here where it says Flash Recovery. This should take you to this section. If it doesn't take you here, you can also access it from this window. This second window will also show Flash Recovery. If in any of these cases the phone's email addresses aren't displayed, don't worry. It's not necessary for them to show the email addresses. Some devices don't display them. If that's your case, then click here where it says Wipe User Data. Click where it says Wipe User Data. And this icon or little green arrow will appear. When it turns green, press the power button and the volume down button at the same time to restart our phone. We're going to press those two buttons. We're going to press them. When it restarts, you'll see an option here again to restart it. It will ask you to restart your device again. If you see that it asks you to restart the device again, as shown here, we're going to select the first option again. Now, we're going to disconnect it. Now that our phone has completely restarted, we're going to wait for it to take us to the home screen to complete the recovery process. We're going to wait for our phone to restart. When it's fully restarted, in some cases, our phone will still be logged in with the Google account or the security account. If that's your case, we'll explain what to do. Now, in a few seconds, it will start. Or, I'm going to pause this video tutorial to avoid making it too long. I'll pause it and we'll be back shortly. Another thing I want to mention is that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we have other methods. Completely different methods. There are also other ways you can recover your Google account. There are about 5 or 6 methods you can use to recover that Google account easily and quickly, both with and without a PC. You'll also be able to find methods based on the latest security your device has. As we can see, we've reached the beginning. If your device is still linked to your Google account, as we mentioned in the video description and the first pinned comment, you'll find these methods here. Methods without a PC and methods with a PC to recover and solve this problem.